Bonjour mga ka-Binibini! This is your Sari Chikadara, Binibini friends, and welcome back to my channel. Well, finally, for today's video mga ka-Binibini, this is the part 4, the last part for our 100 most common French verbs. So with that, mga ka-Binibini, I do hope that you will stay with me. We are going to practice the last part for our 100 most common French verbs, and of course what I want you to do is that you have to take note for the pronunciation, and of course within this video we are going to practice together, and I do hope that you will have the patience, because that is the most important, especially learning the language or learning French language because of its difficult pronunciation. So mga ka-Binibini, so without further ado, we are going to proceed to our proper video. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. So what I am going to do first is that I have to read it in English, okay? And then after that, I am going to translate it in French. So our first word is to go out, to leave, or to exit, or to come out. Sortir, sortir, sortir. Our next word is to resume, to recover, or to take back. Reprendre, reprendre, reprendre. I hope that you're doing fine. Okay, let's proceed to our next word. Okay, that is to lead or to conduct. Mener, mener, mener. Okay, I hope you're doing fine. Okay, let's continue. To belong or to concern. Appartenir, appartenir, appartenir. Don't worry mga ka-Binibini, because later on our next clip we are going to read it again, and we only have to practice in French. So don't worry. So we are going to continue to the next word. To risk, risky, risky, risky. To concern, to affect. Concerner, concerner, concerner. Next, to learn, to teach, or to hear of. Apprendre, apprendre, apprendre. To meet or to encounter. Rencontrer, rencontrer, rencontrer. Next, we have to create or to build. Créer, créer, créer. Okay, I hope you're doing fine. Let's continue. To obtain, to get. Obtenir, obtenir, obtenir. Let's proceed to the next word. To look for or to seek. Chercher, chercher, chercher. Okay. Next, to enter or to go into. Entrer, entrer, entrer. Okay, let's proceed. To suggest, to propose or to offer. Proposer, proposer, proposer. Next, to bring or to cause. Apporter, apporter, apporter. Next, to use or to employ. Utiliser, utiliser, utiliser. Okay, let's proceed to the next word. To reach, to attain, or to achieve. Attendre, attendre, attendre. Okay, you're doing good. To tempt, tenter, tenter, tenter. Next, we have to import or to matter. Emporter, emporter, emporter. Okay, let's go to the next word. To add. Ajouter, ajouter, ajouter. To produce. Produire, produire, produire. To prepare or to prepare something or to make. Préparer, préparer, préparer. Okay, let's continue. To raise, to stand up or to pick up. Relever, relever, relever. To write. Écrire, écrire, écrire. You're doing fine. To defend, to stand up, to forbid. Défendre, défendre, défendre. Okay, and the last one. To pull, to draw, or to fire, or to print. Tirer, tirer, tirer. Well, mga kabibini, that's for our first clip. So I know that it's quite hard. And you have to take note that here in France, it is very important that you at least must have the pronunciation, the sounds like, okay? It's not important to be perfect, especially that now that I am giving you this lesson, I know that I don't have the twang, like real French. But as I am always telling you, I am a representation of being a foreigner, learning the French language, and I must say that it is difficult. It's been like for 2 years straight that I have studied the language, and even up to now, I am still learning. Though sometimes it's difficult with the specific letters, okay, especially for letter R, for letter U, sometimes with letter E, and even letter I. It's it's like it's a mix of like you're having the problem with the throat. Sometimes it's a nasal. I mean, it's funny, but somehow it's a fulfilling for my part, knowing that I wasn't expecting that I could learn the language, because I was not young. I was 33 years old when I was studying French. So don't worry, I know for now it's quite difficult. It's quite hard, I must say, but this is the one thing that you have to remember. If I can do it, so you can do it too. I mean, no problem. Okay, so just be relaxed and no stress. Have fun learning the language. So mga kabili-bini, for our next clip, I am going to read only in French. And so what you're going to do is that you have to repeat after me. So we'll try to read the words as much as we can in a 99.9% okay of being sounds like French. So I should say that. So mga kabili-bini, let's continue. So let's proceed to the first word. Please repeat after me. Sortir. 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 You're doing good. Reprendre. 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 Okay. Quite difficult there. Next. Mener. 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 Appartenir. 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 Emphasize. Open your mouth. Risquer. 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 Let's continue. Concerner. 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 Next. Apprendre. 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 Letter R. Rencontrer. Try it again. Rencontrer. Rencontrer. Okay, you're doing fine. Next. Créer. 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 That's good. Obtenir. 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 Okay. Chercher. 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 Okay, it's quite difficult, I should say that. Okay, let's continue. Entrer. 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 Proposer. 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 Next. Apporter. 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 Utiliser. 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 You're doing fine, okay? Let's continue. Attendre. 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 Tenter. 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 Emporter. 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 Ajouter. 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 Next, we have produire. Produire. produire, produire, préparer, 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 relever, 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 écrire, 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 défendre, défendre, or défendre, tirer, tirer, tirer. So, ayan mga kabidibini, that's all for today's video, and I do hope that you are doing fine, and I hope that you have this, what we call patience. Okay, I know it's quite difficult, and it seems like you're having a tongue twister, but that is the beauty of the French language. And you have to remember that French language is the language of love. So it's fine as long as there is love, okay? So ayan mga kabidibini. Well, I know that, it's quite expensive to learn the French language in a private class. And so what you're going to do is you only have to replay my videos. I do have bunch of French class of videos in this YouTube channel of mine, and so what you're going to do is I just want you to replay, and if you can, well, you can also share and like to my videos. And so mga kabidibini, I do hope that I am somewhat helping you, okay? And don't worry, it is a matter of being patient, and it's a matter of how you love what you're doing. So if you love to learn the French language, so it's gonna be very easy for you, and you only have to listen to your voice, listen to yourself, and be confident. That is the key there. So mga kabinibini, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And so, once again, this is your Sari Chikadora, Bidi friends, signing off. Be safe everyone. Ciao.